Yo, what is up, guys? In today's video, we're gonna be playing what is it called again? The Snowstorm challenge. Now, to be honest, I really don't know what kind of team to build for this, so I'm gonna go ahead and just randomize it, see what it gives me. So, Sparky, already, lightning. Okay, I have 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's a spell. Four spells on my team. Oh god. Okay, I'm gonna randomize it every team. So let's see how it goes. We're going up against El Mejor Rey. Oh, we're already at 2 elixir? Okay. Well, I call him at the back. See where this takes us. Sparky behind it. So I've practiced a little bit in this mode. Yeah, that happens. So you're gonna want to place more. Frick, I didn't catch the what? You fucking said go back to the warren. It's only 1 elixir, so it should have been hard to get back to. Oh, mega nice. I'm trying to wish this one. Hopefully you get freaking. So I've already taken too much damage. You can go hog rider Pokemon. You get good hog rider damage? Oh yeah, look at that. No, there we go with the freezing. Sparky. I'm gonna wizard behind for assistance, sound golem, for buff abilities. I just took it to the ward. Oh shoot, I turned on my phone. Fire. Wait till the strike. Yeah, I feel like going to okay, I'm gonna cut this part off. That was my fault. I'm trying my best, okay? Wait. Alright, so I said I'd randomize it each time, so let's go again. Electrical, I guess. Looks a little bit better than last time. I don't have 6 spells on my team. We're gonna Hugo Z6 here. Okay, so we're gonna start with Ice Golem at the back. Right. Okay, now we're gonna go with Volcanic right here. Should I warm it up? Nah, should be fine. Guys going in front of it. Yeah, we get ready for that. We go on top. Then we wizard to defend it. Zap here. Try to suck it back to the warren. No, baby Ripple was on it. Why didn't it? Okay. The Goblin Gang? The Electric Golem? The Earthquake? To get rid of the cannon? Yeah, that wizard is touching us terribly, bro. We warm to defend? Oh my god. Everything's frozen, my Earthquake? And if that takes care of everything? Get out the bag. Go ahead, so we get out the bag. He's gonna have a big 100% out of this. Yeah, go Hog Rider. We're gonna go Cannon Cart. Wizard Shovel. Oh, bro, it's getting Fireball value. That Fireball's getting on my nerves. The new ball. He zapped it. Yeah, this is not gonna go for us. Alright, we're gonna go Cannon Cart. Yeah, wizard here too. That fireball's getting on my nerves, bro. How do you tell people to fireball container? We ability ourselves to bring everything together. Yeah, that's great. Goblin gang? He's gonna fireball, yeah. It's not much I can do about that, bro. Since E-Golem is so slow, it's hard for me to get like a good push in. Second is like every tactics on my team. And everything freezes! I'm gonna low-key ignore the other side, I'm gonna go offensive on the other. I'm ready to cross, I'm gonna go for it. He wasted fireball, nice. But see, everything just starts freezing again, why? We have a chance here. We're with the hunter. Keep it around. Nah, we lost, yeah. Nah, we couldn't do much. Alright. GG's, man. I got touched. Alright. Yeah, no. Alright, randomize it again. And we get more Hog Rider. Man, this game really loves Hog Rider, doesn't it? We're up against a wave here. So, I'm gonna go straight Hog Rider E-Spirit. Here you go, split breakers. So, I think I'm gonna need to ignore that. That's not the Hog Rider. Only one other connection is good. The Hog Rider doesn't connect though. Oh, wait, it says bomb tower. Then what's my next card? I forget this. Hog Rider again. Okay. We're gonna go bomb tower to start the defense. Oh, that's about a Hog Rider behind it. Nice. Here we go, Hog Rider heals for it, and then we go one. We lightning the wizard in the cannon, possibly? Oh no, the cannon. Still good though, good damage. Alright. Like everything just frozen in the arena, it's funny. Are we gonna wizard out the bag? He warms up just his node golem. We're gonna need a delivery. We snow. Which was it? Hog Rider opposite vein. He heals for it. We kill the Hog Rider. Oh, but the other cannon. And it froze! Like, I think it kind of really depends how quickly you can get back to the warmth before everything just starts freezing again. Oh, he missed! Oh, it's because he got frozen! Warmth! Oh, I didn't reach there. I think that's up the next though, yeah. Bomb tower right here. Nice, we start the wall breakers too. Alright, nice damage on the opposite when we go. Oh, he's go. Oh no, I messed up. Oh, it's fine. Go wizard at the bay. I'm gonna go delivery. Oh, my good to catch that too. Oh, come on, give me the bomb tower. Wait, go on. Push it back. Redirect to that. Oh, come on. I look at it even against the snow golem ability once. Yeah, that was no need for that. That's where we're going all in on the attack. Give me a hit. Yo, the freezing. Oh, that's minor. Delivery for the wall breakers, hopefully they don't connect. Nice. I'm just gonna go snow golem. I'm going. Oh, good. Let's go. Warm it up. Hog Rider's on the top. Let's game. Nice, bro. GG, bro. Yeah, no bien. Alright, last randomization of the day would be Great. Yo, Loki? Wait, Loki? Snow Golem? Graveyard? Not bad. Not bad. This is just, freaking things don't, freaking skeletons don't get frozen instantly. I'm gonna look at just trade right off the bat. See what happens. Let's go on with the bridge, then we graveyard. Horse. Oh, that wasn't much. Yeah, that wasn't. We got barbarians. I'm gonna go Inferno Tower. I think the freaking front tower's gonna get frozen before. Oh, the barbarians regardless. Nope, I did not. Oh, it's frozen! Nice! Holy fireball value! Okay, we're chilling for now, we're chilling. The knight's gone, and we're up in damage. We're gonna carry that out with the snow golem. That goes good anymore than the snow golem, yeah. We go our log. We wizard his wizard. Oh, we don't have snow golem, we wasted it. Okay, just go by branch, try to tune everything that's just sitting there out. Maybe wizard ability. Oh, he got frozen. It's fine. But that's everything. Fire just fireball, everything goes there. We want to make sure that freaking. You guys go on ability? Oh no. Wait, fireball can save us. Oh, nice. The wizard will connect, but there's nothing I can do about that. It's actually a little bit worse. It does less damage than a normal wizard. So once again, I don't not have Snow Golem in sight. The one with the Inferno Tower. That was a bad fireball. Don't know why he plays that now. That's not where you place hold on. Cause if I go now, I won't be able to. Here, barbarian. Sure, we fireball the. We log your 2 to make sure it stays dead. The ability. Alright, the mini peck is frozen. Not permanently though, yeah. Oh, bro, the freezing is just annoying to both of us. Oh, here we go, barbarian, maybe at the bridge. Warm. Holy, I'm gonna wait for the fireball value. Please. Nice. I don't know if he knows that I don't see this as a freaking fireball cycle the other one faster. I see this most as a trying to get the cycle down. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's a lot of damage. The skeletons are still on the tower. Oh, that game. GG's, bro. GG's, bro. Alright, bro. This game mode is fun, bro. Nah, I'm not gonna lie, but this game mode is fun. It's like a little bit tricky to play in, but in the end, it's fine, bro. Alright, guys, thank you so much for watching, and hopefully y'all had fun. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and please keep watching my videos, because, I don't know. Goodbye. Thank you.